Now if you see here, we are going to have here one more modal auxiliary verb, and that's what have to. When do we use have to?
तो करना चाहिए.
Correct.
Obligation.
करना चाहिए, right? करना ही पड़ेगा, उसका मतलब है करना ही पड़ेगा, तुम्हाला करावंच लागेल. करना चाहिए, that is should. Should is like करना चाहिए. आणि करा तुम्ही म्हणजे that's what must. And करावंच लागेल, that's what have to. Now
It's
when do we
called
use have
boss.
to? Have to we are using for obligation. What do you mean by obligation?
First.
कर्तव्य, फर्ज. ओके, ऑब्लिगेशन मीन्स व्हाट? कर्तव्य, फर्ज. हमको करना ही पडेगा, आपल्याकडे दुसरा काही चॉइसेस नाहीये, आहे का नाही? करावंच लागेल. That's what have to. We are going to use there have to for obligation, and we are using here have to is like for 3 star. All right. For example, I, you, we, they have to, and he, she, it has to. I, you, we, they have to. He, she, it has to. When something is obliged, when the situation means you are obliged to do something, where you going to use the have to. Have to, I have given you the example of have to like boss. मतलब यानी करना ही पड़ेगा. For example, if I tell you before, see here, have to is like boss. Are you seeing this? Have to is like boss. For example, you have to study. तुम्हाला स्टडी करावेच लागेल, जर नाही केली तर खड्डा जाणार आपण. So this is what have to. You have to go there. For example, you have to, see here, you have to pay the fee. And Guddu, you have to practice at home. And if you don't practice, then may God help our English. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So have to is one of the most important modal auxiliary verb we have. When the situation means you are obliged to do something, means what? You don't have any other choice over there. You have to do it, means what? You have to. आपल्याला करावेच लागेल. Means what? आपल्याला करावेच लागेल. आपल्याकडे दुसरं काय पर्यायच नाहीये. All right? That's what have to we are going to use over here. We are going to use here have to for I, you, we, they. Have to, he, she, it has to. मतलब आपको करना ही पड़ेगा. आपके पास में दूसरा कोई चॉइस ही नहीं है, आपको करना ही पड़ेगा. All right? Now, for example, I have to study hard. I have to study hard. Do I have to study hard? I don't have to study hard. मला नाही करायची काही गरज बिरज नाहीये. बापाची मस्त शेती आपल्या. No time. Getting it? Joke. It's just a joke. Relax. So I have to study hard. Do I have to study hard? I don't have to study hard. Okay? Same case. He, she, it has to. He has to obey the law. Does he have to obey the law? He doesn't have to obey the law. All right? Means what? त्याला करावेच लागेल. त्याला करावेच लागेल का? त्याला काही बाई करायचं बिरायचं काही गरज नाहीये. All right? Now I have to. Do I have to? I don't have to. He has
But
to.
in the question, does he has to obey the law, right?
Yeah, very good. Does he have to? Why? Because already there is yes in the does. Yes or no?
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, very good, very good. Now, if you see here, have to, we are going to use their have to when the situation means you are obliged to do something. आपल्याला करावेच लागेल. Can you please give me some sentence with have to? For example, we have to vaccinate ourselves. We have to vaccinate ourselves. नाही घेतलं तर गव्हर्नमेंट आपल्याला घराच्या बाहेर पडू देणार नाही. What else? You have to buy vaccine. आपल्याला वॅक्सिन घ्यावंच लागेल. What else? Give me good sentences, please. Don't sit like dumb people, okay? Please give me some sentences. Give me some strong sentences which will help you a lot.
I have to improve myself. Do I
Correct.
have
I have to. Oh, correct, correct. I have to improve myself. मला करावंच लागेल, नाही तर ती मला भेटणार नाही. Correct.
do I have to improve myself? I don't have to improve myself.
मला काय करायची गरज नाही.
You have to prove yourself. Do I have to prove yourself? I don't have to prove yourself.
Correct.
I have to charge the laptop. Do I have to charge the laptop? I don't have to charge the laptop.
Shiva.
I have to know the guidelines. Do I have to know the guidelines? I don't have to
know the guidelines.
I have to.
Yes.
I have to work hard. I have to work hard to get the promotion. Does I have to work hard to get the promotion? I don't have to work hard to get the promotion.
Very good.
I have to go trip. Do I have to go trip? I don't have to go trip.
I have to switch the company. Do I have to switch the company? I don't have to switch the company.
Very good. Yes.
I have to get up early. Do I have to get up early? I don't have to get up early.
Very good. See, some of the students are
I
still not
have to
taking
speak in
sentences.
English. Do I have to speak in English? I don't have to speak in English.
Very good.
I have to pay attention in the class. Do I have to pay attention in the class? I don't have to pay attention in the class.
Very good.
I have to drink 4 liter water in day. Do I have to drink 4 liter water in day? I don't have to drink 4 liter water in day.
Correct him, please. Correct him. I have to. He said, that criminal said,
Drink
I have to drink 4 liter water in day. Miss Chaitani, correct.
In a
Correct
day.
the sentence.
in a day.
Correct. In
A
a
day.
Day.
correct.
In a day.
A day. What else? What is one more mistake is there? One more mistake is there.
In a day.
Yes, ma'am.
Little.
In a day. Okay.
In a
Correct.
day.
देखो चोर का दोस्त दूसरा चोर लीटर्स में गलती कर रहा है उसने
Liters, 4 liters of
करेक्ट 4 liters of water in a day
water in a day. I
यानी
have
कि
to drink 4 liters.
खतरनाक आदमी का दोस्त खतरनाक आदमी in a day मजाक कर रहा हूँ चोर नहीं दोनों भी बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं
नहीं चलेगा सर अभी क्या है
चलेगा वो काय थी तुम्ही रियालिटी बोलले तर काय ते तुला काय हरकत नाही और चालतं आम्हाला.
एवढं काय ते.
चालेल गुड्डू आपल्याला काय चालतं ते
नाही, गुड्डूला चालेल
I
Hiccup laka.
all right oh shall I tell you a story
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
येस सर
okay once what happened आप लोगों ने ये स्टोरी सुना रहेगा पहले भी ऑलरेडी I want to tell you one more thing see मैं आप लोगों को मेरा आज का स्टोरी बता रहा हूँ और वो स्टोरी के अंदर अपना रोहित भी है कौन है अपना रोहित you know why because Rohit has helped me so I'm really thankful of him apart from this one there are two of my other students are also there they are also architect my sister is buying a flat my sister
Oh.
is buying a flat so they have contacted the builder so the builder said that you are going to get the flat of 2 BHK actually that's not 2 BHK that must be 2 BLK okay but according to our Indian system our local system they say BHK
बेच के
so that what do we say that builder said
लिविंग रूम
yeah the builder said that you're going to get the 2 BHK flat and the area will be 750 square feet we said all right so my father sent me the plan of the building so what I did that man sent me the plan of the building I started calculating it and I got the calculation with 40% build up with 40% build up I got the calculation of it and it was going around 645 square feet 645 square feet means what almost 105 square feet less than the calculation I showed the builder see sir this is the calculation so he got shocked over there and he started fooling us last night only I listened to him and I said all right no problem at all I'll give you the answer tomorrow I thought that अरे यार मैं तो टीचर हूँ मेरा काम थोड़ी है सभी I thought that I should ask my students who are architects or the students who are learning architecture so I got to know about Rohit as he's learning architecture then apart from this one my two other students are there who are themselves architect and they're working with the sites so what happened today I've sent them the quotation of the building with the map and I told them can you please just make the calculation of it and send it to me see here the student he put the calculation and he made it by my name only I see here
Yeah. Only name. I can see.
मेरे नाम से बना के उसने quotation भेजा है. If you see, he has done the calculation. I got to know the story, which you might have heard before, but I want to tell you today. The story is really very simple. Once what happened? There were many frogs. There were many frogs in a whale. एक कुएं के अंदर बहुत सारे frogs थे. So there was one frog. It was trying to climb up the whale. It was trying to climb up the whale, and it was trying to climb up, up. It was going up, up, and up. As you might have seen, the crabs. The crabs are pulling the legs of the other crabs. They don't let the others go up. Yes or no? You might have seen the crab's jar is there, right? Jar of the crabs. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Is it closed or is it open?
Close.
No. कभी भी ध्यान रखना, क्रैब का जो जार रहता है ना, जहाँ पे जार में जिसमें क्रैब को रखते हैं ना, वो कभी बंद नहीं करते. Why, Mr. Zubair? Miss चैताली,
I know, sir.
अगं मैत्रीण का बरं? वो जो
I
जहाँ
don't
पे
know,
क्रैब्स
sir.
को रखते ना, क्रॅबला मराठीमध्ये काय म्हणतात?
खेकड़ा.
खेकड़ा. जो खेकड़ा जहाँ पे रखते हैं ना, जहाँ पे खेकड़े में खेकड़े को बेचने के लिए रखते, they do not put that the cap of it to the jar. वो जार के ऊपर कैप नहीं लगाते वो लोग. क्यों रोहित?
Cut the jar, I think.
I know, sir.
हाँ? They
Yeah,
cut the
sir.
jar. Oh, फेंकने का नहीं.
Sir, may I?
हाँ, yeah.
Because एक खेकड़ा ऊपर चढ़ा दूसरा खेकड़ा उसको नीचे खींचता है.
वेरी गुड. इंग्लिश में बोलने का. अरे यू
Oh.
स्पीकर फेंक के मारूंगा मैं. अरे इंग्लिश में बोलने का मेरे दोस्त, इंग्लिश में. Because if you see there, the jar is there. The jar, they do not close the jar. They don't shut the jar. Why? Because if one crab is trying to climb, the other crab, it pulls it down. When the other tries to climb, the third one pulls it down. Like this, this is called crab mentality. They pulls down the legs, and they don't make the others go up and get freedom and gain success. It is the same. Once what happened, there was a frog. There were many frogs in the whale. कुएं के अंदर बहुत सारे frogs थे. So one of them, it was trying to climb up the whale to get out of the whale. Whale से बाहर आना चाहता था वो. It was trying to climb up, and the others were just telling it, and they were screaming after it. उसके पीछे बहुत चिल्ला के बोल रहे थे, अरे मत जा मरेगा, अरे मत जा मरेगा, अरे ये होगा गिरेगा, अरे मत जा. Don't go, you will fall down. Don't go, you will die. Don't go, you will be killed. This and that. They started chanting about it. And what happened? At last, that frog went out of the well. It climbed up successfully and went out of the well. Everyone started chanting about it. Arey, how did that frog went out of the well? Later on, they came to know, actually, that frog was deaf. वो जो frog था वो deaf था, बहरा था वो.
सुन नहीं पा रहा था. Yes.
सुन नहीं पा रहा था. And do you know one more thing? Moral of the story: because of this one, because of his deafness, that frog was unable to listen to them, and it was thinking before, "Arey, they are encouraging me to climb up." And it was thinking that they are encouraging me to climb up, and it climbed up over. उसको पता ही नहीं चला कि वो लोग चिल्ला रहे उसको. It is the same case, my dear. In our society, we have some people.
Yeah.
They are just trying to pull us down. माझं तिथं अरे तिकडे जाऊ नको. गुड्डू तुझं तोंड बघितलं का? तू साईन घेणार? अरे आयुष्यपत साईन नको. अरे ऑलरेडी तुझं तोंड बघ असं होऊन जाईल. का बरं? अरे ते मागच्या आपचा राजू नाही का, त्याने घेतलेलं सायन्स गेला तो, आता हातगाडी चालवतो. Do not compare anyone. Always remember, if you want to kill anyone internally, start comparing that. Yesterday only I told my father this. I told my parents, if you want to kill a person without any weapons, start comparing it. This is what my sentence. भारी बनाया ना?
Yes, sir. Right.
If you want to kill anyone from inside, start comparing him. Start comparing that person. If you're going to compare that person will die. Same case, that frog which was climbing the whale's wall, it was deaf. So it thought that others are encouraging me, and it completely climbed. Now you tell me, if he would have heard the other frogs, would he have climbed?
No.
वो कभी क्लाइंब करता ही नहीं था, बोलता था अरे मैं मरूंगा, मैं नीचे गिरूंगा, ओ माय गॉड, मैं तो नहीं जा रहा हूँ,
पीछे आ रहा.
मैं तो नहीं जा रहा हूँ, मैं तो यहीं पे रहूंगा रोहित के साथ. रोहित गुड्डू आमा मी पण इथेच तुमच्या सोबत. येस नो, वो कभी ऊपर
Yes, yes,
चढ़ता ही
sir.
नहीं था.
जो सुनते वो करते आते हम.
Correct. Always
Whatever.
remember, if people are saying good, just accept it. And if people are discouraging you, listen and just leave it away. That's it. So, moral of the story is what? Don't listen to people's nonsense. Just be with the good people. A man is known by the company he keeps. Getting it? And try to be deaf for the nonsense things. Simple stories there. Short story, you can just go and you can tell your kids as well. You can tell your brothers and sisters and your friends as well, as they are going to get motivated by you and they're going to love you. All right? Keep on encouraging people because see, the greatest support in humans' life is motivation. The greatest support in humans' life is what? Motivation. This is what I have learned in 2020. What I have learned, the greatest motivation in humans' life is what? Motivation. Sorry, the greatest support in humans' life is what? Motivation.
Not.
Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Motivate someone and you're going to have the courage of inside. Now, have to. When do we use have to? When something is obligatory. When something is obligation means what? Kartavya hamara. Farz hai. We are going to use the have to. Can you please make some sentence with have to? I have to, you have to, we have to, they have to. Have to. Make sentences. I, you, we, they have to. Only I, you, we, they have to. Make sentence with this. I have to, you have to, we have to, they have to.
I have to take this session.
Very
No,
good.
I have to take this session. I don't have to take this session.
Next.
I have to take breakfast daily. Do I have to take breakfast daily? I don't have to take breakfast daily.
Next.
Go to college. Do I have to go to college? I don't have to go to college.
Next.
You
We
have
have
to find it. Do you have to find it? You don't have to find it.
Good.
I have
we
to.
have to grow up. Do we have to grow up? We don't have to grow up.
Very good. Next.
Yeah.
Next.
I have to read the newspaper. Do I have to read the newspaper? I don't have to read the newspaper.
Next.
I have to use and I have to wear mask. Do I have to wear mask? I don't have to wear mask.
Next. Ma'am.
I have to
I have
enhance this. Continue.
I have to take decision. Do I have to take decision? I don't have to take decision.
Mr. Zubair.
You
I
have
have
to
to
make.
enhance my skill. I don't do. I have to enhance my skill. I don't have to enhance my skill.
Enhance my skills. Next.
You
I
have.
have to correct my mistake. Do I have to correct my mistake? I don't have to correct my mistake.
Very good. Next.
I have an idea. Do I have an idea? I don't have an idea.
You
Next.
have to mix up with us. Uh, do you have to mix up with us? You don't have to mix up with us.
Next.
I have to be the helpful person. Do I have to be the helpful person? I don't have to be the helpful person.
Next.
You have to take lunch on time. Do you have to take lunch on time? You don't have to take lunch on time.
Next.
I have to improve our skills. Do I have to improve our skills? I don't have to improve our skills.
Next.
I have to monitor the system. Do I have to monitor the system? I don't have to monitor the system.
We have to make good
I
sentence.
have
Do
to
we have to make good sentence? We don't have to good. We don't have to make good sentence.
Good sentences.
I have
Sentences. Yes.
do I have to walk daily? I don't have to walk daily.
Next.
I have to face the camera. Do I have to face the camera? I don't have to face the camera.
Very good.
We have to make our future. Do we have to make our future? We don't have to make our future.
I
Future.
have to write a paragraph. Do I have to write a paragraph? I don't have to write a paragraph.
I have to do the charity. Do I have to do the charity? I don't have to do the charity.
Good. Next. Next.
I have to get up early. Do I have to get up early? I don't have to get up early.
I have to don't waste time. Do I have to don't waste time? I don't have to don't waste time.
I don't have to waste time. Do I don't have to waste time? I don't have to waste time. I have to waste time. Do I have to waste time? I don't have to waste time. Already is there by there is no already there in the negative. Continue.
I have to struggle daily. Do I have to struggle daily? I don't have to struggle daily.
Very good. Miss Chaitali, where are you?
We have to smart work. Do we have to smart work? We
Do
don't
smart
have
work.
to smart work.
Do smart work.
Yes.
Shiva, make sentences. Guddu, make
I
sentences.
have to get first rank. Do I have to get first rank? I don't have to get first rank.
First rank. Next.
I have to purchase the new phone. Do I have to purchase the new phone? I don't have to purchase the new phone.
Next.
We have to change the path. Do we have to change the path? We don't have to change the path.
Very good. Next.
We have to be ourselves. Do we have to be ourselves? We don't have to be ourselves.
Wow. Very nice.
You have to receive her call. Do you have to receive her call? You don't have to receive her call.
Nice.
We have to increase our stamina. Do we have to increase our stamina? We don't have to increase our stamina.
Very good. Yes.
You have to turn on mic. Do you have to turn on mic? You don't have to turn on mic.
Very good.
I have to work hard. Do I have to work hard? I don't have to work hard.
Very good.
We have to face challenges. Do we have to face challenges? We don't have to face challenges.
Very good. Make sentence with has to. He, she, it has to. He, she, it has to. He has to, she has to, it has to. Make sentence with he, she, it has
He
to.
has to reach on time. Do he has to reach on time?
Does.
Do he have to reach on time?
Does.
Does he have to reach on time? He doesn't have to reach on time.
Correct.
He has to complete sleep. Does he have to complete sleep? He doesn't have to complete sleep.
Yes.
Okay.
He has to play for an hour. Does he
Have to.
have to play for an hour? He doesn't have to play for an hour.
Very good. Shiva.
He has to meet the client. Does he have to meet the client? He doesn't have to meet the client.
Next.
He has to buy a cloth.
Does
Does
he
he has to buy
have to?
buy a cloth? He doesn't have to buy a cloth.
Very good.
He has to attend the function. Does he have to attend the function? He doesn't have to attend the function.
Very good.
He has to wash his clothes. Does he has to wash his clothes? He doesn't have to wash his
Have to.
clothes.
Very good.
He
Have.
has to prepare the exam. Does he have to prepare the exam? He doesn't have to prepare the exam.
Ma'am.
She has to work hard. Does she have to work hard? She doesn't have to work hard.
He has to play the match. Does he have to play the match? He doesn't have to play the match.
Good.
She has to talk 5,000 step daily. Does she have to talk 5,000 step daily? She doesn't have to talk.
5,000.
आपण स्वतः करतो का?
सर करतो की सर सध्या जिम चालू असल्यावर करतो सर ते
Thank
थोडा
you,
मध्ये
thank
आधी
you.
काय होतो
तिलाच करायला पाहिजे आपल्याला काही नाही.
नाही सर करतो की फक्त आय हॅव टू
Thank you.
He has to get the flat on rent. Does he have to get the flat on rent? He doesn't have to get the flat on rent.
Next.
He has to go
get
to
the
village.
appointment.
Does he have to go to village? He doesn't have to go to village.
He has to get the appointment. Does he have to get the appointment? He doesn't have to get the appointment.
He has to buy the equipments. Does he have to buy the equipments? He doesn't have to buy the equipments.
Correct.
He has to go on shop. Does he have to go on shop? He doesn't have to go on shop.
He has to maintain the temperature. Does he have to maintain the temperature? He doesn't have to maintain the temperature.
Very good.
He has to read a book. Does he have to read a book? He doesn't have to read a book.
Very good.
He has
He
to
has-
plant.
Yes, you continue.
He has to plant a trees. Does he have to plant a trees? He doesn't have to plant a trees.
Plant trees.
Plant. Okay. Sir.
Correct. A is what? Singular. And trees countable, plural.
Yes.
He has to reply on time. Does he have to reply on time? He doesn't have to reply on time.
नाही दिला तर तिने दिलं मग आपल्याला तिथनं.
ही म्हणजे मी तर असं बोलते ना.
Yeah, yeah.
आय एम टॉकिंग अबाउट फ्रेंड.
इतना शरीफ नहीं अपना रोहित.
No sir.
He has to donate the
Ask
blood
to
above 18 years. Does he have to donate the blood above 18 years? He doesn't have to donate the blood above 18 years.
Very good. Above 18 years.
Above 8 years.
Yes. Yes, continue please. Have to, has to. Shall I show you the verbs?
Yeah.
Okay. कधी बोलणार आपण? And see, we have started with our IELTS classes today itself. It was the first lecture today. Awesome lecture. It was what? After long time, I started teaching IELTS once again. So this is what, after learning and after cracking it, I've started this one now. So take these words and make good sentences now. Yuppie. Make sentences, please. Yes.
She has to cook delicious food.
Does she?
Does she have to cook delicious food? She doesn't have to cook delicious food.
He has to
Because
he has to
he-
ask queries. Does he have to ask queries? He don't have to ask queries.
Good.
he
They
have
have to acquire the company. Does have to acquire the company. He doesn't they have to acquire the company?
Acquire the company. Good.
Acquire the company.
Yes.
he has to attack the enemies. Does he have to attack the enemies? He doesn't have to attack the enemies.
Good. Yes.
He has to admit his mistake. Does he have to admit his mistake? He doesn't have to admit his mistake.
Very good. Next.
He has to arrive. He has to arrive on time. Does he have to arrive on time? He doesn't have to arrive on time.
Very good. Next.
He has to collect the money. Does she have to collect the money? She doesn't have to collect the money.
Very good.
They
Next.
have to accept the company, accept the agreement. They have to accept the agreement? They have to accept the agreement?
Do they have to
He
accept
has to
the agreements? They don't have to accept the agreements. They.
They,
He has to care. Does he have to care? He doesn't have to care.
Chaitali, ma'am.
She
ha-
has to command on the verbs. Does she have to command on the verbs? She doesn't have to command on the verbs.
Very
He
good.
has to ask the question. Does he have to ask the question? He doesn't have to ask the question.
Next.
He has to close door at evening. Does he
In
have to
evening.
close door at evening?
In the
Sorry, sir. In the evening, he doesn't have to close the door at the evening.
He has to add it in the group. Does he have to add it in the group? He doesn't have to add it in the group.
good.
She has to chat in English. Does she have to chat in English? She doesn't have to chat in English.
अहो पण
They
मॅम रोहितला इंग्लिश नाही येत ना कसं होणार त्याचं
they has to add man.
हॅव टू बघा त्या मित्राला बघा
Has
हॅव टू ती आपल्याला पण भेटणार नाही
sorry.
he has to capture the business. Does he have to capture the business? doesn't he have to capture the business?
He doesn't have to capture the
He
business.
doesn't have to capture the business.
आप रोहित और गुड्डू के
He
tips
has adopted the boy. Does he have
Yes,
to
sir.
adopt the boy? He doesn't have. He doesn't have to adopt the boy.
adopt the boy. Good.
He has to betray his friend. Does he have to betray his friend? He doesn't have to betray his friend.
He
Yeah.
has to arrest the criminals. Does he have to arrest the criminals? He doesn't. He doesn't arrest the criminal.
Have to.
Have to. Sorry, he doesn't
He
have
has to collect the money. Doesn't he has to collect the money? He doesn't have to collect the money.
They has to accept a deal. They does they have to accept a deal? They doesn't have to accept a deal.
Good.
He has to assist the poor people. Does he have to assist the poor people? He doesn't have to assist the poor people.
Assist.
Assist
Assist the poor people.
assist the poor people.
Yes. Yes.
She
He
has to.
has to clean the room. Does he have to clean the room? He doesn't have to clean the room.
Very good.
She has to attend the wedding. Does he have to attend the wedding? He doesn't. He. She doesn't have. She doesn't have to attend the wedding.
Good.
He has to arrange the meeting. Does he? Does he have to arrange the meeting? He doesn't have to arrange the meeting.
Good.
He
man.
has to belong to
Yes.
middle class family. Does she have to belong to middle class family? She doesn't have to belong. She doesn't belong to. She doesn't belong. She doesn't have to belong to middle class family.
Good. Yes.
She has to adopt a baby. Does she have to adopt a baby? She doesn't have to adopt a baby.
Good.
He has
He
to
has to
certify.
act like good boy. He has to act like good boy. Does he have to act like good boy? He doesn't have to act like good boy.
Like a good boy. Like a good boy.
Like,
He has to
it's
certify.
like
Does
good
he
boy.
have? Does he have to certify? He doesn't have to certify.
Good.
She has to change the clothes. Does he have to change the clothes? He doesn't have to change the clothes.
Good.
He have to clean the office. Does he have to clean the office? He doesn't have to clean the office.
He has to capture the
Good.
picture. Does he have to capture the picture? He doesn't have to capture the picture.
He has to arrive on time. Does he have to arrive on time? He doesn't have to arrive on time.
Correct.
He has
He has
he
to
has
chat
to
with
acquire
friend.
a place. Does he have to acquire a place? He doesn't have to acquire a place.
He
Very
has
nice.
chat with friend. Does he have to chat with friend? He doesn't have to
Chat.
chat with friend. Chat.
Good. Chats.
He have to attend on time.
Has to.
Does sorry sir. He has to attend on time. Does he have to attend on time? He doesn't have to attend on time.
Attend on
She
time.
has to
Very nice.
cheat in exam paper.
Does she?
Does she have to cheat in exam paper? She doesn't have to cheat in exam paper.
Good.
It has to fly high in the sky. Does it have to fly high in the sky? It doesn't have to fly high in the sky.
He has to clean in the room. Does he have to clean in the room? He doesn't have to clean in the room.
Good.
He has to chat support to customer. Does he have to chat support to customer? He doesn't have to chat support to the customer.
Good. All right. In it out 21 with have to, has to.
No.
Would you like to ask any questions?
Yes.
Yes, please ask.
सर आप जो राइट डाउन करते हैं लैपटॉप पे वो ईमेल पे नहीं आता है
Oh my God, really?
सर मैं चेक करा कल
मेल पे थोड़ी
तो न्यू बैच में ऐड नहीं किया सर आपने.
हाँ सर
ये बैच में आती. Oh, I'm really sorry.
28 दिसंबर से नहीं आया सर वो.
हाँ हाँ जब से समझा वो ये एक्चुअली डॉक्यूमेंट ये पुराने वाले बैच का है ना. Just a minute. Just add you over there, so you can go in fluency. So do you have any questions regarding this one? Anyone would like to ask any questions regarding the topic now?
No.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
जनरली सर हैव टू डेली ज्यादा यूज होता है ना,
Yes, have to
तो
ज़्यादा use होता है.
तो डेली यूज में वो कैसा यूज करना है, आप कुछ पैरा में आप स्पीच कर सकते हैं सर
Yes,
हमें?
absolutely.
तो हाँ,
Sure.
सो दैट हमें हैव टू कहाँ और कैसे यूज करना है वो समझ में आ जाएगा फिर.
Yes, just have a look here. Now, I'll tell you the simple step of using have to in daily usages. For example, see, if you are just thinking and if you want to want someone, okay, ma'am, if you want
Yes,
to
sir.
want someone, if you want to request someone with very high priority, at that time you're going to use the have to. For example, I always say this in my class as well. You have to practice at home. If you want to learn English, you have to practice at home. See, I always use this one. You have to practice at home. Okay, next one. Now, while making sentences, what do I say, ma'am? All of you, not only ma'am, all of you, please pay attention over here. You
Yes.
need to put there does just to make a correct sentence. Did you listen to my sentence now?
Yes,
You
sir.
need to put there does instead of using their do in this sentence. What did I use there? Need to. Now, when do we use need to, Mr. Zubair? Shivdas?
Ability, possibility.
गरज असणे म्हणजे
Correct. गरज. ओ गरज. अहो मराठी नाही. मी महाराष्ट्र
Oh,
इंग्लिश फक्त माझा.
sorry.
We are using need to only for when something is necessary. Yes or no?
Necessary.
Yes.
गरज. Correct. अब यहाँ पर मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? You need to put that does in this word, in this sentence. अभी ऐसा है कि यहाँ पे तुम्हाला लावच लागेल, नाही लावलं तर तुम्हाला मर्डर बीटर कर देंगे, तुम्हारा कत्ल बिदल कर देंगे, ऐसा कुछ है क्या?
No, sir.
नो. मतलब मैंने मॅम वहाँ पे क्या यूज किया, तुम्हाला इथं लावायची गरज आहे, म्हणजे खूप, म्हणजे तुम्हाला इथं गरज आहे, तुम्हाला असं करावंच लागेल, तुम्हाला करावं लागेल, अशी गरज आहे, नाही केलं तर आपण रॉंग होऊ शकतो. So that's what you need to put there does in this word. For example, you need to put there has to with had he. With he, she, it, you need to put there has to. So I'm using the word need to. Now, if I'm requesting or if I'm ordering someone, at the time I'm going to put there have to. For example, see, tomorrow I'm going to take your exam and everyone has to come over here on time. So what did I use there, ma'am? Everyone has to come म्हणजे काय? आता हे
Yes.
माझा ऑर्डर आहे तुमच्या सगळ्यांसाठी.
Yes,
तुम्हाला
compulsory.
इथं यायला पाहिजे, म्हणजे तुम्हाला यावंच लागेल, नाही आले तर मी तुमच्या घरी येईल.
हम्म.
हॅव टू मीन्स व्हॉट? ऑब्लिगेशन, कर्तव्य आपला. नाही आले तर आपलं खूप मोठं नुकसान होणार आहे. येस नो मॅम? सो
Yes, sir.
when the situation you're going to see, अरे हाँ ये situation कैसा है मुझे समझ में आ गया, I'm going to use it, and the moment when you'll start using it, you'll come to know easily. आपको जैसे मराठी में आता है ना, अरे तुम्हाला हे करावंच लागेल, मला माहित नाहीये, तो आप डायरेक्टली कैसे बोलते हैं, अभी उसके लिए सोचते नहीं आप लोग. You are just going to speak up there. It is the same case in English as well. The moment when you'll come to know the situation, अरे हाँ ये situation ऐसा है और इसमें ऐसा बोलने का रहता है, आप लोग वहां पर डायरेक्टली बोलना स्टार्ट करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अभी जैसे कि भी आप बोल रहे हैं हमारे गुड्डू को, ओके, गुड्डू को बोल रहे, गुड्डू द हाउस इज रियली वेरी डर्टी, यू हैव टू क्लीन राइट नाउ. अहो तुम्हाला क्लीन करावंच लागेल. का नाही केलं तर पैसे तुमची सॅलरी मधने कट. कर्तव्य है तुम्हारा हो. मीन्स व्हाट? ऑब्लिगेशन है मैम, कर्तव्य है, फर्ज है, तो वहां पर आपको करना ही पड़ेगा. वो सेंटेंस को देखो कितना स्ट्रांग है. और समझो अगर आप गुड्डू को एकदम एकदम ऐसे लाड प्यार से बोल रहे हैं आप, मॅडम ऐसे खाली टाइमपास में, अरे गुड्डू काय कुठं बसलाय, काय केलं घराचा, यू शुड क्लीन द हाउस. मीन्स व्हाट? यू आर मेकिंग नॉर्मल सेंटेंस. ओके, सो यू शुड से दैट, यू शुड. अभी देखो मैं यहाँ पे यूज कर रहा हूँ, यू शुड से दैट. आपको ऐसा बोलना चाहिए. मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ यू हैव टू से दैट. नो, मैं थोड़ा नॉर्मली प्यार से बात कर रहा हूँ अभी आप लोग से, ऐसा ना. सो वी कैन से दैट, शुड से दैट, should. Guddu, you should clean the house. So according to the situation, ma'am, you are going to put there. All of you, please pay attention. Now, if you see here, you should clean the house. You should clean the house, Guddu. So should, I'm just making a sentence over here, which is a normal sentence. And if I want, you should clean Sorry, you should clean the house. Okay. And if I want to order Guddu, then I'm going to use there, ma'am.
You have to clean the house.
Correct. Now you came to know. अरे यार थोड़ा थोड़ा मुझे अगर गुड्डू को थोड़ा सा भी गुड्डू ने बहुत दिन से काम करा नहीं, खाली आप एक काम पे आके खाली सो रहा है वो, तो मैं क्या बोलूँगा, गुड्डू, I'm not going to listen to your any excuses. You have to clean the house today. तुमची वहिनी येणार आहे परवा. You have to clean the house. Yes or no, Rohit?
Yes, sir.
हो सर एकदम. हो. तुम्ही वहिनीचे बोलले ते बरोबर
गुड्डूची
बोलले.
वहिनी.
बाकीचं काय
नाही, माझी
करणार?
वहिनी.
So have to and
बापरे.
need to. Now अब जैसे मैडम अगर आप लोग को ऐसे बोलना है, हमें आम्हाला खूप गरज आहे हो सध्या. अभी अब मुझे बोलना है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम इन ट्रबल एंड आई नीड टू फिक्स द प्रॉब्लम. आई नीड टू फिक्स द प्रॉब्लम. ओके, आय नीड टू फिक्स द प्रॉब्लम म्हणजे मला गरज आहे फिक्स करायची. नाही केलं तर माझं थोडं नुकसान होईल, जास्त काय नाही, मरणार नाही आपण, फक्त माझं नुकसान होईल. नाउ अब मैम मैं आपको एक सिचुएशन दे रहा हूँ, जस्ट हैव अ लुक हियर एंड मिस चैताली इज गोइंग टू आंसर. मिस चैताली, हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
अगं मैत्रीण, त्यापेक्षा त्यानंतर बोलत बघ मैत्रीण, आता इथं बघ ना मैत्रीण. हॅलो.
Yes, sir. Hello.
या नाव आता आपली चैताली करते मॅडम स्वयंपाक, आणि सडनली चैतालीचा सिलेंडर संपला. चैताली काय करणार?
चुलीवरती.
चेंज करणार गॅस.
आता चेंज करणार तर कोणाला बोलावणार? ते कामगार आहेत आपल्याकडे दोन, रोहित आणि गुड्डू, त्यांना करणार ते फोन.
नाही नाही नाही
हाँ
सर,
हाँ हाँ.
एक्स्ट्रा रहता है ना.
नहीं नहीं, हमारे इधर तो दो काम वाले उन लोग को बुलाएंगे हम लोग. अब वहां से
बराबर
गुड्डू और रोहित
नो.
पत्ते खेलते बैठे उधर. झाड़ के
गुड्डू गुड्डू.
गुड्डू एंड रोहित दोनों भी
नो,
पत्ते खेल रहे झाड़
मेरे
के.
को नहीं आते सर.
हाँ, तो अभी उन लोग को वहां पे मैडम ने किया फोन, तो बोले हाँ यस मैम. तो मैडम ने क्या बोला? यू
नीड टू.
हॅव टू.
टू.
नीड टू बिट्टू काय नाही, आमची गरज पडली ते अर्ध कोण बनवणार ते राहिलंय किती. यू हॅव टू. मैम समझा आपको?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
सिचुएशन कैसे आई है अभी उधर?
Yes, sir.
काय करे
You
श्वेता?
have to
करेक्ट. एकदम सिचुएशन बहुत खतरनाक है उधर. यू हैव टू
change this.
come
Change.
and change. You have to come and change the
Cylinder.
cylinder. Means what? मॅडम ने दोघांना दिला आता काय ऑर्डर, आता त्यांना काय पण करून त्यांना घरी यावं लागेल आणि ते चेंज करावं लागेल त्यांना. नाही आले तर मॅडम तिथे काठी घेऊन पोचलेच म्हणून.
You have to.
यू हैव टू. दोनों भी बहुत अच्छे लड़के हैं, पर ऐसे में मजाक कर रहा हूँ. चलो
Thank you, sir.
मजाक कर रहा हूँ. ओ माय गॉड.
अरे बापरे.
ये मजाक कर रहा हूँ. Sorry. मदद कर रहा हूँ.
सर,
Thank
आपने उनको
हाँ?
हॅलो सर,
या
आपने उनको हरभऱ्याच्या झाडावर चढवलं आणि खाली पण उतरवलं लगेच.
काय
once
झालं?
what happened with my
चला झालं चला ते.
once what happened with my uncle. I was talking to him and he was trying to fool me. What I did, I just said to him that I'm coming to you. He said, oh my god, really? I'm joking. Oh, I see. I said, no, actually I'm not joking. Oh really? I said, I'm joking. He said, to hell with you. I said 2-3 times that I'm joking, I'm not joking. I'm joking, I'm not joking. So he was completely confused. Are yaar, is he joking or not? I don't understand what exactly he's saying. All right. So by the way, any problems to anyone over here with have to?
No, sir.
Any questions? So always remember, the moment when you're speaking,
No, sir.
you have to use their have to. See, you have to use their have to according to the situations. All right. So whatever the situation is there, you need to put there according to the situations your modal auxiliary verbs. See, you need to put there. So need to मी कशाला लावले तिथं? तुम्हाला जशी गरज असेल तुम्हाला तसं लावायला लागेल, है का नाही? सेंटेंस के ऊपर है.
Yes.
According to your Hindi Marathi, you're going to speak English. Simple. All right, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Good. Any doubts to anyone with this?
सर
Yes, my dear.
When this video you upload?
Madam will upload it today itself. I'll tell her.
Okay.
She's going to upload last week videos and these videos today itself. Don't worry. Okay.
Sir,
Apart from this one, now I will give you some homework. Shall I give you some homework for tomorrow? I hope you're going to do this homework.
Yes, sir.
yes sir.
देखो खाली
Yes,
दो ही बोल रहे बाकी लोग बोल ही नहीं रहे
देखो सर मेरी भी आवाज पहले है सबसे होमवर्क के लिए.
अरे यार ऑस्कर
Yes,
और
sir, yes, sir.
तुम बोलो ऑस्कर आता.
No, no.
Very good boy.
इतना बोले काफी है.
कॅडबरी घेऊन जा नंतर माझ्याकडून बाबा.
Thank you.
नहीं कुछ को बोला सर आपको तो बड़ी घेऊन. आपको बड़ी.
Cadbury. अजून कुठे चालले So, simple article you're going to make tomorrow, and you're going to make an article on 3 modal auxiliary verbs. That's what? Should, must, and have to. So, first of all, you're going to speak upon them only 2 minutes. Okay, no more than that. You will get only 2 minutes speaking time, no more than that. 2 मिनिटाच्या आताच आपल्याला बोलायचं आणि फिनिश करायचं आहे. त्यापुढे आपल्याला काय टाइम वगैरे भेटणार नाहीये. So, this is what the homework is, what you're going to have for tomorrow. You are going to make an article on these 3 modal auxiliaries. Okay, one article on these 3. For example, whenever I go out, you're going to make sentences like this. Okay, make an article like this. For example, whenever I go, आणि कोणाची हेल्प घ्यायचं नाही, स्वतः बनवायचं. तिची हेल्प घेतलेली, तिला बोलवलेलं इथं, आता आज आपण भेटू आणि तिथे आर्टिकल पण बनवून दे मला. असं काही नाही. रोहित. So whenever
Yes,
I
sir.
go out, so whenever I go out, I
I need
feel
money.
I should wear the jackets as it's winter. But sometimes it is must to wear. ये मैं मेरे दिल से खाली एक आर्टिकल बना रहा हूँ. You can make any article, okay? But you have to use there the words of should, must, and have to, okay? But sometimes it is must to wear the jacket my mother my mother shouts at me if I don't wear it, as she orders me that you have to wear the jacket right now. All right, see guys, must के लिए necessary दे रहा है देखो. In these lines I have used their should, I've used their must, I have used their have to. दिसतंय ना आपल्याला?
Yes, sir.
So we can use there an article and we can use there some sentences like this. Any doubts?
No, sir.
ऐसे एक simple मुझे एक article बना के चाहिए. You have to speak up that article just in 2 minutes. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
For example, you can make any other article. For example, I believe. Sorry.
Sir,
Yes, my dear.
in this article, all 3 sentences are different.
Yeah, all the 3 sentences will be different with the different positions. For example, I believe you should. मुझे ऐसे लगता है, मला असं वाटतं, मला माझं असं मानणं आहे. I believe you should join the gym. But remember, जिम जॉईन केल्यानंतर भिकारी सारखं पडायचं फक्त वर्कआउट करायचं नाही, जेवण पण करायचं. बट रिमेंबर you must take
That.
good diet. Yes or no?
Yes.
You must take good diet.
Sir, in
But-
different way, Yes, sir.
Yes, the most.
We can say you as well as take good diet.
You as well as. You can say. You can say, no problem at all. You can say, I believe you should join the gym, but remember, you must take good diet as well. Okay?
Okay.
कसं खुश झालं ना आता? The most important point is you have to do the running or exercise. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So like this, I want an article tomorrow. You can write any article, any article, any article. All right,
Yes, sir.
good. So for this one, we're going to have it tomorrow once again. And please try to make an article to speak up well. It will help you a lot when to use the correct sentences according to our model auxiliaries. All right?
Without turning video.
Pardon?
Without video.
No.
Camera.
Video.
Without camera.
No, no, no. With
Without-
the camera. With
No,
double
sir.
camera.
Without camera.
With double camera.
Without-
Guddu, we will not scare to see your face.
Oh my God. Oh my God. तोंडावर insult. Okay. By the way, any doubts to anyone?
No, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir.
So it is really very easy. The main important aspect from your side is what you are going to come, how to use them appropriately in our English. You'll come to know that in detail, that how to use that have to, how to use need to, must, should, and all. So at least make with these one. All right. With this is your homework, and you're going to speak up only for 2 minutes. All right. Any doubts to anyone?
No, sir.
Any
No,
questions
sir.
to anyone?
No, sir.
Yes. Yesterday I was showing your videos to my parents, and they were just so proudy, and they were just saying, oh my God, these are the students who are speaking in front of the camera. Wow, that's really awesome. I showed the video of Rohit as well. I showed the video of that Khatarnak Guddu. I showed the video of ma'am. I showed the video of Miss Chaitali. I showed that video, main aspect, that video of Shivdas as well. I showed the video of Mr. Zubair, that Mr. Wajid. So they were just proud of you, that you people are speaking in front of the camera with such as you are coming from vernacular medium and speaking over there. It is really a great thing. So when other people are going to see you, they're going to have great charms in yourself. Getting it?
Yeah, sir.
Start speaking with it. And see, whenever you're meeting your friends or your teachers, at least try to communicate with them in English. It will help you a lot when to use and how to use the words appropriately. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
If you have any questions, you can ask me directly. Just make the article tomorrow the best one, at least 10 or 15 lines. That's it. 10 or 15 lines. That's it. No more than that. All right. But I want you to get your vision must cleared with the points. All right.
Yes.
We'll see you tomorrow. Cheerio.
Cheerio, sir.
Cheerio, sir.
Sayonara.
Tomorrow. Cheerio.